listen, I gotta admit something to you.
What?
I lied to you. A little bit.
This is your Silverado?
Get your belt.
No.
Yeah.
But look around the room.
Oh, the Highlander.
Yeah.
The Wagoneer.
Yeah, that's yours.
What do you mean that's mine?
That's yours. That's what we're driving home.
That's what we're driving home?
Yep. Like your car now. I figured after everything done for all of us, our whole lives, you deserve a present. What? What'd you say?
You need a car.
I'll get a car, but this one's yours. What's really cool, Justin, you want to show them some special features?
Yeah. Is this gonna run? The old Grand Wagoneers never really run that.
It's gonna run.
Is this fuel injected or with the carburetor?
It's carbureted. It's carbureted 5.9. It's got 60,000 miles on it.
And I have an extra present for you.
Ready?
Dad,
No way.
I had Gary polish it up and send it out.
No way.
They would not put it on the hood
All right, I'll
until
tell
you
you
saw
the
it.
rest of the story. Look at this. I was where this was yesterday, and because I gave it to my cousin to put on his old beat-up truck, and he wasn't around, and I look out the window from the house, and I see the truck, and I say, where the fuck where's my hood ornament? And I haven't spoken to him yet. And I say, I can't believe it. I love that thing.
They were afraid.
They
refused.
They're like, this is what it'll look like, but we're going to get your permission before we
They
drill it.
refused to drill holes in it until you got your permission to put it on.
If you want it on, you'll have it on.
So here's a couple things if you want to tell them what you guys did that are a little different. You got USB ports in it. Brad, you want to kind of walk them through some of the upgrades to the car that are a little bit better and how the process went?
It's a full brand new paint job. We
Yes.
stripped the whole thing
Full
down.
restoration.
It's absolutely, the body's immaculate underneath, but we wanted the paint to be fresh. It's all brand new wood grain, vinyl trim. We
Interior's
put new
restored.
brakes on it. We restored the interior, but still left it original. We upgraded the radio, the speakers. The radio still looks like an original old radio. But
You gotta go look at it, but
that's
it's
full
XM.
Bluetooth. It's got your XM satellite radio. We've got USB plugins, so you can run your phone, GPS.
They upgrade the fuel injection right and stuff so it runs better.
Well, it's
They wouldn't let you, these
Yeah,
guys, mechanics
we
like
did a lot of research on the
Yeah,
fuel
And they're over here
injection
watching
system.
going, no way.
This is set up this way, so it ran so good. We just
Yeah,
couldn't touch it. Some of the stuff just isn't available anymore, parts. So we actually had to these covers. We scanned those in and 3D printed them, and then dyed them to match. So we actually
Serious? Really?
Yeah,
Yeah, we had those 3D printed because
Yeah.
we could not get into
That's
those.
One of the
unbelievable.
things fun,
Yeah.
the donor vehicle we call it, it came out of the West Coast, and it still has left on the Carmel Valley Ranch sticker.
Oh,
it came out of Carmel,
California.
California.
Yeah.
So you started off with something that had no rust, but it needed to be restored.
Yeah.
Beautiful
Oh,
when it started, but
it's
beautiful.
beautiful.
Oh, everything. That's
It's a
yeah.
pity to take it to Vermont.
You can leave it here if you want. They'll be happy to keep it, by the way.
California.
All the chrome trim is all original. The interior is original. We just restored it. It's we went through all the mechanical.
Yeah, look at the headliner, you look at the carpets, what they did to
Go
it.
turn it on. The key's in there, right?
Yep. You should be in
We made the doors so
Memories.
Yeah, they got 40 hours.
This is my
Just
father,
Canadian
Scott.
This is my father, Steve. Nice
Yeah.
job.
Beautiful job.
So,
he spearheaded the restoration.
Steve wants to put this on.
Like I said, they will. Yep, that's it.
That's
Look
it.
at how ridiculous this is.
Oh my God, that's perfect.
All right, now go stand in front
Don't
of
rub
it.
too hard. You'll rub the paint through it.
Yeah, go stand next to the boys. I'll give you a picture of you.